Hi Josie fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm super excited to have you back. Today I'm going to be bringing you a nail tutorial video, and this is a simple DIY press on nails. So let's get into this video. First of all, you'll need a nail display stand, some blue tack, which is going to help you to stick your press-ons on them. So I used these press-ons which I painted myself and also filed to get the shape myself. It was not featured in this video, but in order not to waste time, I made sure that I sized the press-ons to make sure they fit well on my hands, and I went in to paint them, which I'm going to show you a quick demo on the thumb so that you will see how I did it. So I'm going to be doing a French tip style today, but before I go into the nail art, I made sure that I used a base coat on the press-ons before I went in with the C&D shellac power polish in nude knickers, and it's a beautiful nude shade that complements my skin, and I absolutely love this color. So I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp and go ahead and repeat the same procedure on the other hand. So at this point, you can apply the press-ons directly on your nails because you have already sized them, and then you can do the art whilst they are stuck on your natural nail bed. But I prefer to finish everything, the art, the top coat and everything, before I apply them on my natural nail bed, and this is going to help with efficiency, and it's also going to help me work on the other nail easily because I'm working on both nails. And if I have these long nails, they are not that long, but if I have them on one hand, it's going to be difficult doing the art on the other hand, especially using the left hand to work on the right hand. So now I'm going to do the art, and I'm using this white gel polish from Cairo, and I'm going to place some on my plate here, and I'm going to be using a detailed nail art brush, and this is how thin the brush looks like. And I'm going to take a piece of that gel polish and work it on the edges of each nail. And at this point, you need to take your time because it takes time to be able to use these kind of slim, slender nail art tools. And so you need to take your time. Practice makes perfect, so the more you practice, the easier it is for you to work with such tools. So the style I'm going for is a V style, or a V-shaped style, and so I'm working it on the edges to meet each other. I'm working it on both edges so that they meet each other on the tip. So after finishing with the nail art, I make sure I go in and cure whilst I work on the other hand, and I'm going to cure that one as well. And so I make sure that I am refilling my plate as and when the polish is running out, so that the polish doesn't become too thin, because I am working with white and I'm just going for one coat. I'm not going to go in again with that white polish. So whilst the other hand is curing, I'm going in with this Vina Lisa top coat to apply on this hand, which has already cured, and I'm done with the art. And so I'm going in with a top coat, which is also a gel polish, to lock in that look. And I love how this nail look has turned out. So I'm going to be applying this on my natural nail bed later on in this video, and I am going to show you how I do that as well. And so if you have come this far in this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My channel is all about beauty, lifestyle and travel. So if that is something you are interested in, I'd love to bring you more content on everything beauty, from makeup tutorials to nail tutorials, as well as some lifestyle content and some travel vlogs here and there. Yes, I like to get out sometimes and share with you what I love, and that is beauty, and I love travel as well. So if that is something you are interested in, go ahead, that red button on the corner there, just hit it and subscribe. It's absolutely free, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I post a video. So it's now time to apply the press-ons on my natural nail bed, and before that I go in to file the nails to get rid of any oils on the nail. But I'm also going to go in with a nail dehydrator as well, and all this is to make sure that you get rid of the nail oils, the natural nail oils, and any residue from any polish that you may have had previously. And all this is to make sure that the press-ons last longer for you. So I'm going to be using this Model 1's Coloring Life Nail Prep Dehydrator, and this is to help dehydrate the natural nails, and it's a non-acid and it can be used for powders and UV gels. So when it comes to the press-ons, you can use these nail tabs or you can go in for nail glue, and the nail tabs are for a shorter span. If you don't want to have the nails on for too long, you can go in with the nail tabs. The nail glue lasts a little bit longer, but you can also use the nail tabs when a nail comes off from using the nail glue for a quick solution. So you can keep nail tabs in your purse. As and when you need it, you can go in and reapply your press-ons in case they pop off. So I love both the nail tabs and the nail glue. I use the nail glue mostly when I feel I'm going to be wearing the nails for a longer time, and also if you want a more secured hold, you can go in for the nail glue as well. So after applying the press-ons, I'm going to go in now with some cuticle oil to apply around the cuticle area, and this is to nourish that area. And I'm going to also go in with some hand cream to moisturize my hands and to make the hands look supple. And I love how this has turned out. So you can do this at home by yourself, and it's a really easy process and a really easy technique. You just need more practice and also some time to, get all the things you need to be able to do this. And this is the beautiful outcome. I love my nails. So if you also do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel once again. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe and never give up. Love you all. Mwah. Bye fam.